Windows and doors can be an important step to improving the efficiency as well as the beauty of your home. It helps to know that the team you select for your window or door replacement experience is qualified, thoughtful, and works hard to provide that extra touch that makes not only the end results memorable, but focuses on making the journey enjoyable. The window and door replacement team at Construction Specialties is one of the best. We have the expertise to not only replace your windows, but make framing changes or repairs, incorporating permits for opening changes or additions, repair siding and drywall, custom finished windows or doors, and we have the potential to repaint your entire home. Unlike many other replacement companies, if unexpected damage or other concerns are discovered, you can be sure that we will not only identify those issues, but share them with you and discuss options to do the work your home needs. Our team has a long track record with Pella windows and doors and will aid in the measurement, design, and product education necessary for success on your replacement project. After the design is completed, your products are ordered and set to be delivered to our shop. A comprehensive instruction manual for your project is uploaded into our online software as an information access point for your project. Schedules, selections, billing, and many other details are all available from your computer or mobile device. Once the work is ready to start, our remodeling team meets on-site with you and our project manager to go over our plan, introduce themselves, and discuss communication and job details specific to your home. While they will be the main point of contact for your project during the construction, the rest of the team is just a phone call, email, or online message away, and will be checking in from time to time on the progress of your job. Once the work is completed, we help to build a punch list that includes any finishing touches needed to complete the work. Details like paint touch-ups or other small items will be on this final set of tasks that sets the stage for our finished product. After completion, our sales team will touch base for a final customer satisfaction check-in and add you to the list of happy Lawrence area customers. Construction Specialties. Never stop improving.